If you're a fan of high-performance BMWs, there's a good chance you get an almost ASMR-grade tingle down your spine when you put the letters C and S together. That's because a CS model signifies a hardcore variant of a vehicle that's typically already pretty darn entertaining. The latest addition to the competition sports stable is the 2026 BMW M2 CS. It's packing excellent power, a stocky stance, and it only sends power to those delightfully tortured rear tires. It's not cheap, it's limited in its production run, and yes, it's pretty awesome. I am aware I am a month behind on this news, but that doesn't make the news any less cool. BMW is back with another CS model. It's taken its wonderful M2 coupe and juiced up the engine. There are also aero and chassis upgrades, of course, too. The meat of it all, however, is the twin turbocharged 3-liter inline 6 under the hood. Here in the M2 CS, it's good for 523 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. That would be a healthy bump over the 473 horsepower and up to 442 pound-feet of torque you'd find in a standard 2025 M2. Also, I say up to 442 pound-feet as that's the figure when the car is equipped with an 8-speed automatic. It's down around 406 pound-feet when you equip it with the 6-speed manual. But therein lies one party trick the regular M2 has over the CS. Its available manual gearbox. The 2026 M2 CS is 8-speed only. On the outside, BMW swaps on even more carbon fiber reinforced plastic body bits. You have the familiar M mirror caps and the carbon roof, but the CF gets its own rear diffuser, a matte black front splitter, black kidney grills, and an integrated ducktail in the trunk lid. BMW offers the M2 CS in black sapphire metallic, Brooklyn gray metallic, and Portimao blue metallic as the standard color choices. Or you can jump to velvet blue metallic for an extra $3,000. In the cabin, the carbon caravan continues. You'll find heated M carbon bucket seats, carbon and Alcantara trim, and light up CS logo elements as well. Even better is the ability to remove the integrated head restraints on the seat for helmet clearance, while you also have the option of integrating a multi-point harness. This thing is clearly primed for track duty. Further ringing that point home would be the upgrades to the suspension, coupled with the wheel tire and brake packages. Per BMW, the M2 CS sits 0.2 inches lower and features CS-specific tuning on the springs, dampers, and chassis control systems. There are also tuning revisions to the steering and rear diff. The standard wheel setup is 19-inch fronts and 20-inch rears, with the rear tires wearing a 285 section width tire. They wear a gold finish, and they look pretty awesome. You can also option what BMW refers to as track tires and ultra track tires as no-cost options. What is not a no-cost option is the upgrade to the M Carbon ceramic brakes. Those add $8,500 to your bottom line. BMW says all these upgrades equate to a 0 to 60 mile per hour sprint in just 3.7 seconds. Thanks to the M Drivers package, which is standard, you unlock a top speed of 188 miles per hour. This is a limited production run car with a lofty price tag. The 2026 BMW M2 CS starts at $99,775. There's no actual word on how many BMW will build, but word is that they're already increasing whatever the original number was going to be because demand is apparently quite high for this one. Which makes sense since it's closer to a more pure driving experience that BMW fans are looking for. No all-wheel drive, no extra electronics, just great power and a wonderful chassis.